How to reset sharper image massage gun. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started with step 1, and that is soft reset. Turn off the device and slide the power switch to the off position. Unplug the charger if it is plugged in. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes to clear any overheating or internal issues. Turn it back on and check if it works. In step number 2, you can do hard rest, and that is also known as battery rest. Turn off the device completely. Remove the battery only if your model has a removable battery. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to discharge any stored power. Reinsert the battery and turn the device back on. In method number 3, you can factory reset. If the massage gun has a reset button, look for a small reset hole or button near the battery or handle. Use a pen or paper clip to press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Release and start the device. Check the battery, inspect the power switch, and avoid overheating. If it still doesn't work, you may need warranty service. Let me know your model for more specific help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.